preguntar que si te dan combinación.
Ah, ya, hágale una sola.
We're here finally buying all the products that we're gonna go and give to the elderly. And here in a wholesale shop, they are super kind to us and have actually agreed to sell us all the products that we need to bring at cost price. So we want to give a shout out to Casa de Tenderos. Thank you so much for the help.
Esa podemos llevarlo para allá, para el carro de allá. Sí.
¿Acá va a echar algo más? ¿Por este lado le cae algo más?
Sí, nos cabe. ¿Sabes qué podemos echar acá?
Today we're going to help all people.
Yeah, elderly people. We're gonna go bring them some food.
And what is that for?
Because they need it?
Maybe they were in a band when they were young, playing salsa music. But now they are abandoned on the streets of Cali. So we try to help them.
Ahorita hay 70 niños, porque hay unos que los llaman para dormir, a los que son como más movibles, pero total cortamos 100. Tienes que abrir parte y colgamos
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
¿Qué amor,
¿Cómo estás?
que te
¿Bien?
leí? Dígale, ¿cómo le decía el papacito? Dígale.
¿Cómo estás? ¿Sí?
Hola,
¿Masticado?
papacito, dile.
These are two of the 3 toilets that's available for and showers for more than 100 elderly people here. So it's quite a process to get them into bed at night and up in the morning when they share different times to need to go to the bathroom. So as part of the donations that we have received, we will be helping to fix so they can have a few more toilets here, which will be a welcome help, I think, to both staff and of course also the elderly people that lives here.
Well, I want to say thank you for all the help. This is thanks to you.
all this donation and all this food, and that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Todd. Today, all these people can be happy.
También solo elijan 2 personas monedas. Escuche.
Thank you very much for the donation. They really helped them, and they are very grateful for all of your help. And thank you very much.
What is happening here, Diana?
So we are here in the old people home. We thank you for all the help. We really appreciate. We can do as much we can, and we try to find the most, the best quality and the best price in the city. Locally, many people add to our objective or occasion, and it helps us a lot. Today we get a chance to give them food, bring all their needs at least for 1 month. Now we are looking some kind of fixes they have to do in the house, and we are really thank you for all of everybody that support us and believe in our task. Thank you so much.
So from all of us, we want to say thank you so much. We are done for today, giving all the food and items that we have bought from the money donated. We're gonna leave the donation link open. It's gonna be down here at the bottom. So if you want to keep giving something, we'll make sure that it gets to these elderly people who really need it. And we thank you once again for at least making their life the next couple of months much more nice. Thank you.
Thank you.